10 Plus. Here it is, new Note 10 Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay, open it. Here's the okay. Very nice. Ayan siya guys. Sus, ang date. Kailangan ko pang i-edit ang date na to. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. I'll show you. Okay. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. See? It's a nice one. Very nice, very smooth. Then, yung camera, diba, yung very clear. Samsung ones. Very smooth. Ayan siya. Then, this one. This is the earpiece. That's the earpiece. This is the charger, the charger and the this is the charger. The charger. Ayan. The charger. Then this one, the earpiece. See? That's the earpiece. Then this one, the pin to insert the SIM card. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay. Yan yung pin. This one, the charger, the earpiece, and the phone. Maganda siya guys. See? The Play Store. Ayan siya. Nakita ko sa inyo closer. Ayan. So that's it. My new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Please like, comment down below guys, and don't forget to click the bell button para updated kayo sa aking next vlog. Ayan, unboxing my new Note 10 Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Very nice siya guys, see? Very nice. Ang camera, oh. See the camera, very clear. See, diba? Very clear ang camera. Maganda yung camera sa Samsung. Diba? If agree kayo, comment down below. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That's it for my this is my vlog for today. And don't forget to click the bell button so that you will be updated on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, guys, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. That's it for now. Unboxing my new Galaxy Note 10 Plus.